products you may or may not want. So we got this tray off of Amazon, and it is great for people who are driving with Uber or DoorDash, Postmates, all those. And also for like FedEx drivers who just need time, don't have time to like sit down and eat and need to eat on the go. So what you do is you just attach it to your steering wheel. And then it stays. And then you just put your food, drinks right here. So it's pretty sturdy, but whatever you do, don't try to drive with it on, because once you do, tray slides, food falls, drink spills, you crash into somebody, not worth it. So just pull into a parking spot, clip it on, eat your food, drink your drink, then unclip it. Simple as that. Also, if you need to do work on the go, like you need to check an email real quick, or you have like 10 minutes before you're supposed to be somewhere, you can also grab your laptop and use it as a tray. It's pretty sturdy to where like it won't drop. It holds a good amount of weight. Just type your work, do whatever you need, and then take it off. Flip your tray, there you go. You're good to go. So another thing about this tray is you have to clip it to the bottom of the steering wheel because it's sturdy, everything. If you try to clip it to the top, it's really not sturdy. There you go. But with the bottom, you don't have to worry about that happening. I definitely recommend this product if you are somebody that spends a lot of time in your car and just don't have the time to either go home to eat or just need to have something to help you on the go if you just don't have time to go somewhere else besides a parking lot.